The Roswell Incident, an examination of the alien artifacts and their impact on ufology. On July 8, 1947, an unusual object crashed on a ranch near Roswell, New Mexico. At the time, the U.S. government announced that the object was a weather balloon, but rumors soon spread that it was actually a crashed extraterrestrial spacecraft. The Roswell Incident, as it came to be known, has been a subject of fascination and controversy for decades, and has had a significant impact on the study of UFOs and the search for extraterrestrial life. The initial announcement by the U.S. government that the Roswell object was a weather balloon seemed to put the matter to rest, but many people were skeptical of this explanation. The incident occurred at a time when UFO sightings were becoming more common, and many people believed that the government was covering up the existence of extraterrestrial life. The speculation was fueled by rumors that witnesses had seen strange debris at the crash site that did not appear to be from a weather balloon, as well as reports of military personnel recovering bodies of small, humanoid creatures. The Roswell incident was largely forgotten for several decades, but in the 1970s, it was revived by ufologists and conspiracy theorists who sought to uncover the truth about what really happened. In 1978, ufologist Stanton Friedman interviewed Major Jesse Marcel, who had been involved in the initial recovery of debris from the crash site. Marcel claimed that the debris he had seen was not from a weather balloon, but rather from an extraterrestrial spacecraft. Marcel's account sparked renewed interest in the Roswell incident and led to further investigations and interviews with other witnesses. Over the years, a number of different theories have been proposed to explain the Roswell incident. Some people believe that the object was indeed an extraterrestrial spacecraft that crashed on Earth, while others suggest that it may have been a secret military experiment or some other kind of unconventional aircraft. Some conspiracy theorists go even further and suggest that the government covered up the incident to hide evidence of extraterrestrial life or advanced technology. Despite numerous investigations and inquiries over the years, no definitive proof of what actually happened at Roswell has ever been found. The U.S. government has maintained that the object was a weather balloon, and many witnesses who were initially reported to have seen extraterrestrial debris or bodies have since recanted or had their accounts called into question. However, many people remain convinced that the government is hiding something and that the truth about the Roswell incident has yet to be revealed. The Roswell incident has had a significant impact on the study of UFOs and the search for extraterrestrial life. It sparked a wave of interest in the subject and helped to establish ufology as a legitimate field of inquiry. It also contributed to the development of conspiracy theories about government cover-ups and secret knowledge about extraterrestrial life. In recent years, as the search for extraterrestrial life has become more scientific and mainstream, the Roswell incident has taken on a new significance as an example of how popular beliefs and rumors can shape perceptions of scientific inquiry. In conclusion, the Roswell incident remains a fascinating and controversial event that continues to capture the imagination of people around the world. While no definitive proof of what happened has ever been found, the incident has had a lasting impact on our cultural understanding of UFOs, extraterrestrial life, and the limits of government transparency. As we continue to search for evidence of life beyond our planet, the Roswell incident serves as a reminder of the power of popular belief and the importance of scientific inquiry in separating fact from fiction. Unexplained Artifacts, the strange objects discovered at the bottom of the Baltic Sea. In 2011, a team of divers discovered a strange object at the bottom of the Baltic Sea. The object appeared to be circular and had a diameter of around 60 meters. Its shape and size, combined with the fact that it was located in an area that was once covered by glaciers, led some people to speculate that it could be an extraterrestrial spacecraft or some other kind of advanced technology. However, despite numerous investigations and attempts to uncover the truth about the object, its origins and purpose remain a mystery. The discovery of the Baltic Sea Anomaly, as it came to be known, generated a great deal of excitement and speculation among ufologists, conspiracy theorists, and the general public. Many people believe that the object could be proof of extraterrestrial life or evidence of advanced technology from an ancient civilization. Others suggested that it could be a natural geological formation or even a sunken World War II-era German submarine. Despite the hype surrounding the discovery, efforts to investigate the Baltic Sea Anomaly have been hampered by a lack of reliable information and data. The object lies at a depth of over 80 meters, making it difficult to study directly, and much of the information about it has come from sonar scans and other remote sensing techniques. While some images of the object have been released to the public, they are often of poor quality and subject to interpretation. In recent years, there have been renewed efforts to investigate the Baltic Sea Anomaly and uncover the truth about its origins. In 2019, a team of divers and researchers conducted a new investigation of the object, using advanced sonar and underwater scanning technology. While their findings have not yet been released to the public, they have stated that they believe the object to be a natural geological formation rather than an extraterrestrial spacecraft or other artificial object. The Baltic Sea Anomaly is just one example of the many unexplained artifacts that have been discovered around the world. From ancient artifacts with mysterious origins to modern objects with inexplicable properties, these artifacts challenge our understanding of history, science, and the nature of reality itself. Some people believe that these artifacts are evidence of ancient civilizations with advanced technology or proof of extraterrestrial contact, while others suggest that they are simply natural phenomena or hoaxes. The Tunguska Event, a mysterious explosion in Siberia. On June 30, 1908, a massive explosion rocked the remote forests of Siberia, near the Tunguska River. The blast flattened trees for miles around and was so powerful that it was heard over 800 miles away. Yet despite the enormous destruction caused by the explosion, there was no evidence of a crater or impact site. The event, known as the Tunguska Event, remains one of the most mysterious and unexplained events in modern history. The Tunguska Event has been the subject of intense study and speculation for over a century. Scientists and researchers have proposed numerous theories to explain the event, ranging from meteorite impacts to alien spacecraft. However, despite decades of research and investigation, the true cause of the Tunguska Event remains a mystery. The most widely accepted theory for the cause of the Tunguska Event is that it was caused by the explosion of a small asteroid or comet in the Earth's atmosphere. According to this theory, the object entered the Earth's atmosphere at a steep angle and exploded several miles above the ground, releasing an enormous amount of energy. The blast wave from the explosion flattened trees and caused other damage for miles around. While the asteroid or comet theory is widely accepted, it is not without its skeptics. Some researchers have suggested that the Tunguska Event was caused by a nuclear explosion or some other kind of man-made weapon. Others have proposed that the explosion was caused by a natural phenomenon, such as a methane explosion or a volcanic eruption.